Hi, this is Topper Chef. Today we're going to make cauliflower Manchurian.
To this batter, I've added to the flour. I added half a cup of water, and there was pepper in it, some salt, and just whisk it good enough, and then add all my cauliflower in it, so it coats really well. There you go. Okay, we're going to fry this now. Okay, now our batter is ready and we're going to fry this cauliflower. Our oil is also ready, and the batter should really coat the cauliflower well. Put about 7-8 pieces together so the oil doesn't get really cold. And you can also fry this for maybe second time to get it more crispy. That's what most of the recipes say, but we'll see how it goes with this. We're going to first fry this first and then do it the second time. Okay, so this is about 6 pieces of cauliflower which we cook at least for 1.5 minutes, and they're fried, and then we can take it off and then put our second batch of cauliflower. We got about 14 pieces of cauliflower with this recipe. Okay, Topper Chef back again here. Now we're going to finish off the cauliflower Manchurian. We fried the cauliflower for the first time. Now I'm going to saute with the sauce. In the meantime, what my pot is going on, I'm going to fry this cauliflower crispy for the second time. So if you want to do it, that's much better. The cauliflower is more crispier, and then we're going to put it directly hot into the sauce. Okay, and crispy. Now this for the sauce. The oil is getting hot. See, it's nice and crispy brown. Cut this out. So when it's crispy, it won't absorb a lot of oil. So now we start with this. Our oil is hot. 2 tablespoons of ginger. 2 tablespoons of garlic. To this, we're going to add our chopped chilies. Saute this a little bit. Oh, the smell, so good. This is just for making the Manchurian sauce. Once we saute this, I like to put a little celery in it. So I got my chopped celery. And 1 teaspoon of this hot sauce. You gotta be really fast with this. To this, I'm gonna add a little pepper. my onions. You can really add everything in a paste. It's really good. So now we're going to add our little soy sauce. Let it cook a little bit. Let it saute a little bit. Now to this I'm going to add some cornstarch with some water in it, okay? To thicken this sauce up. And I'm going to add my cauliflower to this mixture. Add my cilantro and some green onions in there. So here's our cauliflower Manchurian. It's almost ready and it's ready to eat. There you go, voila. Hi, Topper Chef back here. This is now we're gonna taste the gobi or the cauliflower Manchurian, which we finished making, and it's really big. My God, it's really nice, and you can get the ginger flavor on the whole cauliflower. So your kids will start liking cauliflower now because of this. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!